Netflix mobile recharge. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can recharge your Netflix mobile, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you have an active subscription on Netflix and then you would like to recharge your Netflix account, you don't have to worry about it because Netflix is automatically going to recharge itself as long as your payment details are correct. So if you still want to check it regardless of everything, you can open your browser, go to netflix.com and log in. Tap the three lines option from here and go to the option known as account. Once you go to account, just scroll down and here you'll be able to see if your plan is currently active. If it is active, you will be able to go ahead and fill in those details. Now currently my account is on hold due to payment issues. If you get this type of issues in the future, you can tap the update payment method in order to actually enter a new payment method to help solve the problem. This way you can go ahead and then recharge Netflix mobile. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.